Hi, this is Christine Citrano with the Citrano Batten team here in Naples, Florida, and we have a new listing that we would like to share with you. The address is 820 100th Avenue North, located in Naples Park, and it is a cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, single-family home, and in the great neighborhood of Naples Park. I'm going to flip this around so you can see what I'm looking at. So here is our house. It does have a single car attached garage and many upgrades. In fact, the roof was upgraded in 2013 and the air conditioning system was upgraded in August of 2020. So no worries there. In the front yard, I'm just going to scan around the street itself. This is a non-gated community in Naples, so there are no homeowner association fees associated with this property. And the really great thing is you are literally right down the street there is the Gulf of Mexico. You are less than 1 mile to the Gulf of Mexico. You can walk, you can ride your bike. Of course you could drive because there is parking available. And this would make a great rental property. A lot of people would be very interested in renting this in season or annually. So let's take a look inside. Let's see, they've got some nice landscaping in this area. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Jeanette.
Well, hello, Christine. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Okay.
I was just showing the outside and I was talking about the location and what a great rental property this would be because of the location more than anything. So this is a really large living space. It's very open with a dining area right here.
And again, Christine, everything has been updated here as far as freshly painted, the exterior and the interior. And what I think is awesome too, that makes it the perfect beach bungalow because you could walk in with sand on your feet, is the tile floors that are throughout the entire home. So no carpet here. It's completely tiled throughout.
Now it's currently owned by a gentleman, and he obviously likes to work out, so he has his workout equipment here. But it's good to see because this will give you an idea of just how large this living space is. So I'm backed up behind the dining room table, and we can scan this way, and you can see. I mean, this is some pretty substantial furniture they have in here right now, and it does not dwarf this room at all.
Now, and what I love too, it's so light and bright. I mean, you can see all the natural light coming through with the nice large windows.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And again, very, very nicely maintained home here in Naples Park. And again, having been updated, as we walk through, you'll notice the new light fixtures throughout as well. Mm-hmm. The hanging fixtures here in the dining area, and as we walk through into the kitchen and into the bedrooms, you'll notice that as well.
So let's do the kitchen. This is a really great size kitchen too. It has all kinds of really fun features to it that I think, beginning with this butcher block countertop, which has been sealed. So it is waterproof and it is beautiful. You can see the sheen on this. And then the other thing I love is the mosaic tile backsplash.
I know, it kind of gives it a nice, funky look. I think they did a beautiful job mixing all the colors together. Mm-hmm. And again, giving it some character. Here in Naples Park, you have your home. Again, as Christine mentioned, you're right by the beach. It just makes it a perfect location to, again, have a really, really cute home that you can update like this and be walking distance, riding your bike, to shopping, down again to the beach, dining, everything. I know Christine mentioned the location with all the shopping around with Whole Foods and Mercato and Trader Joe's, and this is just an awesome, awesome location.
Now this, I think, is the coolest thing. They have created their own little coffee bar here. And I love the industrial look of these shelves. I'm going to get up close so you can see this. This is very on point right now with these exposed pipes. But, they keep it nice and clean and neat looking with white colors and touches of blue, and it looks really sharp. The door here leads to the garage, as we mentioned before, and then you have this sliding door out to the patio. Now this is a small side patio, but what's fantastic, as you'll see, is they keep their grill out here. You couldn't ask for a better place to have your grill right off the kitchen. And then on the other side of that screen is a small planting bed where you could grow herbs or vegetables, and again, easy reach within the kitchen. So that is really pretty. I like that.
And again, because Naples Park, it's single family ownership and there are no HOAs, the restrictions as far as you being able to come in here and with your property, do a nice garden, vegetable garden, you know, grow your own. You can do that here, which is amazing.
Yeah, nobody's going to stop that from happening. So now we're going to go look at the bedrooms. Again, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. So the first bedroom is right off the hallway here. And again, as Jeanette mentioned, tile floors throughout, so you're not going to see any carpet in this property. Got a good sized closet. You got a window that is providing lots of natural light coming through.
And again, a nice sized bedroom, because you can see this is a queen size bed in here, and there is plenty of space for your nightstands, your dresser.
Your golf clubs.
Your golf clubs, of course. You are here in Naples.
Yes.
And there's golf courses all around you.
Yeah, I think there are more golf courses in Naples per capita than anywhere else in the world. And here is the guest bathroom, which has been nicely upgraded.
Yeah, again, so they really did put in some of the modern touches, and again, the lighting. They did a nice job with that. And again, just a nice, clean, fresh look I think you'll come away with as we walk through this home. I do want to mention while we're walking, this is in an A-rated school district, Naples Park Elementary School, Pine Ridge Middle School, and Barron Collier High School.
So now this is the second guest room. They have removed the closet doors, but those can easily be attached.
And they are here on the property, in the garage.
Yeah. And this room has sliders going out towards the back lanai, which runs almost the width of the house. We're going to go take a look at that soon enough.
And again, a nice size bedroom. This is also a queen size bed, and you can see how much space you have on either side. So it really works well. And I think one of the nice features is that you do have the access not only from this bedroom, but we'll see when we take a look at the third bedroom, which would be your master, which also has access out to the lanai.
Yeah. Okay. So the master, or the main bedroom, is right across the way. There's this beautiful gunmetal gray accent wall. And love that artwork of hanging there.
And look at the barn door. I love this part of
the barn door adjacent to the bathroom. This is an ensuite bedroom, so you have your own private bath. And you have this sliding barn door with the frosted glass windows. That is just so cool. Tile floors. They look like wood, but those are tile in this nice grayish brown color. Really pretty with the white grout, and just pops it up.
And again, I think that's what is so nice about this particular home, is that it does have the touches, the updating, just where it needs it. Someone could come in and just bring your furniture, and you've got a really nice setup here on this property.
Now the other thing to mention is, of course, we have the sliding doors going out to the lanai, and let me see if we can get out here. I'm not sure that
one thing I don't know if we did also note, the roof was just installed in 2013, and of course brand new AC system just installed like literally a couple weeks ago. So that's certainly important to mention here in Florida, because it is warm.
Yeah, and those can be big expenses. So as a new owner, it's not something you'll have to worry about. So you can see the length of this lanai. It's a good size. And then beyond that, you have your backyard. They have a star fruit tree right there. It looks a little less.
Yeah, I think they picked a few.
They picked a few, yes, because there were tons on there.
And this is southern exposure. So again, this property lends itself beautifully has plenty of room to add a pool. And again, this is southern exposure.
Yeah.
And being here in Naples Park, this is a very, very popular area for either a second home, vacation home, for an investor, because you do not have any rental restrictions. Makes a great investment to rent out the property. And again, because of the proximity and the location to the beaches and the shopping, it does very, very well. And we can certainly give you more information on the type of rental income you could expect. So definitely, if you're interested, give us a call and we can fill you in on the details.
And I do think that with regard to the investment aspect, not having any restrictions, because many of the homes here do have restrictions with regard to the number of leases that you can have per year. It can be anywhere between 2 to 4, yes. And the time. It is not at all uncommon to have a minimum of 30 days lease, and in some areas it's 60 to 90 days. Whereas here there are no restrictions. So if you wanted to rent this out on a weekly basis, you could do that.
Absolutely. And again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Was built in 1976, but again, you can see all the updating that's been done. And it's just under 1,400 square feet under air. So 1,377 and 1,583 total. That would incorporate the 1-car garage as well as this lanai area that's under roof as well.
And what are we asking?
And we are asking $444,900. So again, single family home right by the beach in Naples, Florida for $444,900.
And I happen to know that not too long ago, just a couple of months ago, there was a house about the same size as this. It did have a pool, just a couple of houses down, and that one sold for $576.
Yes, so this is again.
This is a great investment property. It's at a great price. You don't need a pool, but you could put one in. It's a great listing. So we hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, of course, you know how to reach us. You can, of course, direct message us through Facebook, or you can reach out to us at our website page, www.citranobbatten.com. Thanks. That's it for now. Take care.